What you do, it's your boy Heavy Crypto, and you already know what you do on this channel. Always find ways to make money with Bitcoin, stationary mode, and everything related to cryptocurrency. In this video, I want to show you my best indicator that I use to make money with derivatives, especially on Bybit, and the link to Bybit is going to be in the description below as well. As you can see right now, I'm currently in this position, and I'm making approximately 188%. Only today. You can see where I entered exactly at the price of 58,000 US dollars, right? So if you want to get signals and all that good stuff, make sure you join our Telegram group. The link is also in the description below as well. But let's get right into it, guys. So you can see that this indicator that I use is very, very powerful, and I've been making a lot of money with this indicator, trading derivatives. And the good thing is it also works in spot trading. So here's the indicator. As you can see, it's called Heavy Crypto Indicator right here. So this is the indicator that I use to take advantage of this futures trading on Bybit or Bitgate and all other crypto exchanges that offer futures trading. As you can see, it gave me a signal right here, and the price of Bitcoin went up approximately 52%, right, since I got the buy signal right here. So this indicator is very powerful. I mean, all you have to do is to follow it. When it says buy, you have to buy, and when it says sell, you have to sell. So you can also scalp using this indicator. I mean, it's not a really big deal. As you can see, it gave me this buying signal, and the price of Bitcoin has been going up since I got this buying signal. And right here I got a sell signal, and the price of Bitcoin went down. So this is how exactly I use Heavy Crypto Indicator. But other than that, I don't want to make this video a long video. I just want to show you another indicator, which is called Heavy Crypto Momentum Based Indicator. So this indicator pretty much shows you if there is momentum in the market. As you can see, Bitcoin keeps on going up. That's why I'm recording this video, so that you guys can also take advantage of this futures trading and make money with me right here, your boy Heavy Crypto, by using these powerful indicators and all that stuff. So I'll keep on updating you guys on Telegram group and give you signals every day, so that you guys can also make money during this bull run. I don't believe that this pump is gonna end around 60k or 70k. I think we're probably gonna hit 100k because of Bitcoin ETF. So let me show you another powerful indicator that I use, which is called Heavy Crypto Momentum Based Indicator. So with this indicator, all you got is these waves and buy and sell signals. So let's go like to daily time frame, so that it's gonna make sense for you. But if you want to scale, I recommend that you guys should use approximately at least 4-hour time frame or 1 hour time frame if you want to scale and stuff like that. But with this indicator, basically all you have is this money flow, the wave trend, and buy and sell signals. So these red dots indicate a selling signal, and these green dots indicate a buying signal. So as you can see, when you get a sell signal, the price go down, and when you get a blue signal, the price go up, just like what happened right here. Same thing applies right here, right? So when you have momentum to the downside like this, and then we get a buy signal just like right here, you can see what happened to the price exactly right there. The price of Bitcoin went up approximately 9%. So these indicators really works in time, and they're really worth your time if you can give it a try. You're gonna testify to me, because I know that you're gonna get these good results and everything. But other than that, you have got the money flow right here. And I know you cannot see it right now, but then money flow is this blue line right here. You can see it is this blue wave right here. And when the money is coming out of the market, this money flow turns red. And then when the money is getting into the market or inflow, this money flow turns green. So as you can see, since right here, right, you can see that the money flow turned green right here, because this side it was red, or this side was red, but then right here it turned green. So you can see that since the money flow turned green right here, the market has been going up. So this is the reason why I'm saying that these indicators works in real times, and I recommend you guys to give it a try and all that stuff. So since the money flow turned green, Bitcoin went up approximately 100%, as you can see right there. And another thing I also wanted to point out, you also have stochastic RSI. As you can see, when the market is oversold, the stochastic RSI pretty much goes up goes and touch this 0% line. And when the market is overbought, this stochastic RSI goes up. So you can see, for example, let's take right here. You can see, right, we had a dump right here, and stochastic RSI was oversold. And right here you can see that the market was really up and was pumping and all that good stuff, and the stochastic RSI was oversold. So currently you can see that we got a buying signal and the market seemed to continue going to the upside. I did not get any selling signal, so that's why I'm gonna keep this long position open, and I believe that I'm gonna make a lot of money with this long position. But other than that, you can see that this indicator simply tells you when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. So you can use this indicator on futures trading and as well as on spot trading. And for this indicator, the link is going to be in the description below as well, or you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online right here. Okay, university.online, heavycryptouniversity.online, and click enter. That's where you can also find this amazing indicator is right here. It's called Heavy Crypto Indicator. So you're gonna get both 3 indicators so that you can also win in this market. So my name is Arthur. I just wanted to show you this great indicators so that you guys can also make money in this video. If you want to contact me, my Telegram, my email, and everything is gonna be in the description below as well, as I believe that you guys gonna take advantage of this indicator called Heavy Crypto Indicator, and this is the indicator that I'm using to make these gains and all that good stuff. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the most profitable channel on the internet. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.